I got this air conditioning not cooling. Now I'm going to teach you where to check power. We have to check high voltage first. Right now the blower is not moving. Most likely the fan motor is not working anymore, it's out. We need a new one. But we're going to check power. First we're going to check high voltage. We're going to check high voltage right there at the breaker. And we have 248. Now we're going to check low voltage. Low voltage going to the motor. It's gonna be the blue wire and the brown wire. If we have between 25, 28, that means the motor is getting power but it's not moving. We need a new evaporator fan motor. That's the solution for that. The cables are blue and brown. That's the power going to the motor, low voltage. And to order a new one.